Welcome to English Podcast. Get ready for a story that will make your heart warm and your skin cold. This story is for intermediate learners B1, so listen carefully and enjoy the twists. Don't forget to subscribe for more magical and shocking stories. The Mirror in the Attic. Emily was a quiet girl who had just moved to an old house in the countryside. The house was big, full of books, old furniture, and strange paintings. She moved there with her grandmother after her parents passed away. One day, while exploring the attic, Emily found a tall mirror. It was covered with a dusty cloth. She pulled the cloth away and something strange happened. She didn't see her own reflection. Instead, there was a boy her age, with sad eyes and a kind smile. Emily screamed and ran downstairs. But that night, she dreamed of the same boy. In the dream, he said, "Please, don't be afraid. I need your help." The next day, Emily returned to the attic. The boy appeared again. His name was Thomas. He told her he had lived in the house many years ago. One night, he went missing. No one ever found him. Emily visited the town library and discovered an old newspaper. It said a boy named Thomas disappeared exactly 100 years ago in the same house. Scared but curious, Emily returned to the attic every night. She and Thomas talked more. He was funny, sweet, and brave. Slowly, she began to fall in love with him even though he was only in the mirror. One night, Thomas said, "Emily, I know how to leave the mirror, but I must take someone's place." She looked into his eyes. "You mean someone has to go into the mirror?" Thomas nodded. "Only if they choose." Emily was shocked. She felt cold. He whispered, "Do you trust me?" She hesitated, but her heart said yes. She took his hand through the glass. Suddenly, she was pulled inside. The next morning, her grandmother couldn't find Emily anywhere. The police searched for weeks, but no one ever found her. Years later, a new family moved into the house. Their daughter found the same mirror in the attic. She pulled off the cloth and saw a girl inside, smiling, with sad eyes. The end.